So clicks are coming, but no conversion. So what's really wrong? People are clicking your ad and spending your client budget, but nobody is buying, nobody is calling or filling out your form. This is actually worse than getting no clicks, because now we are losing money. You are paying for every click, right? But do not get any conversions. The real problem is not your Google ads. The problem is what happens after the click. One of the main reason your landing page is slow. Suppose sometimes we got we click the given type of website, and the website just loading, then we are upset, then we are left because of what? Loading time speed is too much. So that's why if your face takes more than 3 seconds to load, 53% of mobile user leaves, and you already know our most of the customer, most of the audience comes from mobile users. So just for your landing page loading speed, 53% of mobile users leaves. They never see your offer. Okay, and reason number 2 is your landing page does not match your ad. If your ad says 50% offer, but when your landing page shows the full of collection with no discount, no offer, so people feel tricked, they leave. Reason number 3 is your CTA, call to action, is weak or hidden. If someone has to scroll 3 times or 4 times to find your phone number or contact or lead from, they will not convert. The reason number 4, you are targeting the wrong audience. You might be getting clicks from people who are just researching, not buying, and want to do this free. So these are informational searches, not commercial intent searches. Now reason number 5 is no trust engines. If your face has no reviews, no phone number, no physical address, people do not trust you. Especially for location business, everyone want a trusted person, trusted business. Okay, so how to fix them? Use Google Face Speed Insights to check your face speed. Target under 2.5 seconds. Must be ensured this, and make sure your ad promise matches your landing page headline exactly. As like your landing page, your headline, your keyword, all 3 are same intent, same copy, just to match. Okay, and put your phone number, form or city above the fold, visible with scrolling. And also add 3 to 5 customer reviews on your landing page, and use Google Tag Manager to track form submissions and phone calls as conversion. So create a dedicated landing page for each ad campaign. Never send paid traffic to your home page. A specific page for a specific offer always converts better. Always remember this.